How to hide like count on Instagram Reels. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can hide like counts on Instagram Reels. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So open the Instagram app and go to the reel of which you want to hide likes. So for example, if I want to hide likes of this one of my reel, and here tap on these three dots in the top right corner. Here is option to share, link, save, QR code, archive, turn off commenting, edit, and etc. But there is no option to hide the likes count. So now what you have to do is you have to open your Instagram in a browser. So first open up a web browser and here search for www.instagram.com. You have to search for this exact website. Now once you're on instagram.com, make sure you have signed in. So after you sign in, you have to turn on the desktop mode. So if you are on Chrome, to turn on desktop mode, tap on these three dots in the top right corner and then tap on desktop site. Now once the desktop site is loaded, tap on the reel of which you want to hide likes of. Now here zoom in and you have to tap on these three dots in the top right of that reel. And here you will see the hide like count option. So tap on it and the likes will be hidden for the reel. So guys, this is how you can hide likes count on Instagram reel. Thanks for watching.